I know Europe is often seen as an expensive travel destination, but that's not the whole story. There are so many hidden gems across Europe that are incredibly affordable and offer incredible experiences. So, if you're dreaming of European adventures, but don't want to break the bank, stick around. I'm about to show you 5 budget-friendly destinations in Europe that you'll want to add to your travel bucket list in 2025. Let's get into it. First up, let's head to Plovdiv, Bulgaria. Plovdiv might not be the first place that comes to mind when you think of European travel, but trust me, this city is full of surprises. Not only is it super affordable, but it's also packed with history and charm. One of the things I love about Plovdiv is how the ancient and modern worlds collide. You can walk through the old town and find Roman ruins, like the impressive Roman theater, and the best part? The entry is completely free. The city is also known for its unique colorful houses and cobblestone streets, making it a perfect spot for leisurely strolls. Plovdiv is home to the European Capital of Culture 2019, so there's no shortage of cultural events and artsy vibes. A night out in Plovdiv won't set you back much either. Try a traditional Bulgarian dish like shopska salad or banitsa at one of the cozy local restaurants. And if you're into nature, don't miss a hike up Nebatit, which offers an amazing panoramic view of the city. Trust me, you won't find a better view for this price. So, if you're looking for a low-cost destination with tons of character, Plovdiv is definitely worth considering. Next, let's talk about Porto, Portugal. This city has been getting a lot of love lately, and for good reason. It's the perfect balance of affordable and beautiful. Porto is famous for its historic charm, stunning river views, and, of course, its world-famous port wine. While it's still a major city, Porto is a great alternative if you're looking for something a little less touristy than Lisbon, but just as captivating. You can spend hours wandering the Ribeira district, with its colorful buildings and narrow streets, and the best part? It's completely free to explore. When it comes to food, Porto is a dream for anyone on a budget. You can try the local delicacy, francesinha, a kind of Portuguese sandwich, at a reasonable price in one of the many cozy cafes. And if you're a wine lover, Porto's port wine tastings are usually super affordable, especially if you go to the smaller local wine cellars. Porto also offers free activities, like visiting the São Bento train station, which is beautiful tile artwork, and walking along the Dom Luís I Bridge for amazing views of the city. So, if you're looking for rich history, stunning views, and delicious food on a budget, Porto is the place to be. Let's move on to Ljubljana, Slovenia's charming capital. Now, I know Slovenia isn't as famous as some other European countries, but this place is a hidden gem that's absolutely worth your attention. Ljubljana is often called one of the greenest cities in Europe, and it's easy to see why. It's small, walkable, and full of beautiful parks. A stroll through the old town along the Ljubljana River is one of the most relaxing experiences, and the best part is, it won't cost you a dime. The Ljubljana Castle is perched on a hill overlooking the city, and while there is a small fee to enter, you can also just enjoy the views for free from the surrounding areas. Tivoli Park, the largest park in the city, is a great spot to take in nature, and it's all free to enjoy. As for food, Ljubljana has a growing food scene that's both affordable and delicious. You can grab a quick bite at one of the many local markets or street vendors offering things like strukelji, traditional Slovenian rolls, at a fraction of the cost you'd pay in more tourist-heavy cities. So, if you're looking for a picturesque city full of green spaces, with plenty of things to do on a budget, Ljubljana is definitely a must-visit. Now, let's venture a little off the beaten path and talk about Tbilisi, Georgia. While it's not technically part of the EU, it's still a wonderful European-adjacent destination that is incredibly affordable and offers a whole new cultural experience. Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, is like stepping into a different world. You'll find a mix of ancient architecture and modern influences, with winding streets and cozy cafes. The city is super cheap, and you'll be able to eat well, travel around, and explore without worrying about your budget. A must-see is the Narikala Fortress, where you can get amazing views of the city. The sulfur baths are another popular spot, and the good news is they're very budget-friendly, and you can experience them for just a few dollars. The local food is delicious and incredibly affordable. You've got to try khachapuri, a cheesy bread dish, and kebabs, which are available everywhere for a very low price. So, if you're looking for a more off-the-beaten-path European destination that offers amazing culture, food, and history, while still being incredibly budget-friendly, Tbilisi is the place to go. Finally, let's wrap things up with Krakow, Poland. Krakow is one of Europe's most historic cities, and while it's gaining popularity, it's still one of the most affordable cities to visit in Europe. Krakow is a city full of character, with its stunning old town, Wawel Castle, and the impressive main market square. The best part? Exploring the city's main attractions is mostly free. You can easily spend a whole day wandering the streets, admiring the architecture, and soaking in the vibe without spending much at all. If you want to dive into the city's history, a visit to Auschwitz-Birkenau is a must-do, and it's incredibly affordable, with a lot of free tours available. The local food scene in Krakow is also amazing. Try traditional Polish dishes like pierogi or zapiekanka at a local cafe without breaking your budget. For an affordable European experience that's packed with history and charm, Krakow is hard to beat. So, there you have it. 5 budget-friendly European destinations that prove you don't need a huge travel budget to have an unforgettable experience in Europe. Whether you're looking for ancient ruins, stunning views, or amazing food, these cities have it all, and they're all easy on the wallet. I hope this video gave you some inspiration for your next European trip. Let me know in the comments which of these destinations you'd love to visit, and if you've been to any of them, share your tips and experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the notification bell so you never miss a budget travel tip. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.